A hot dog, a hot pretzel, maybe even a cheeseburger and fries. Many of us love to grab a bite to eat when we hit the ballpark to watch the Indians game. Call 6 Investigates has learned that Victory Field was recently cited by the health department for food safety violations. Our Kara Kenny explains what they found that could make you sick and what's being done about it.
Victory Field is a popular spot for baseball and for food, but what we found in these health code violations could make you sick. On June 12th, as the Indians took on the Buffalo Bisons, a surprise visit at Victory Field, the Marion County Public Health Department with a routine inspection. They found 8 violations, 3 of them critical, meaning the most likely to get you sick.
Critical violation is one that could cause a foodborne illness.
Those critical violations include the use of an unapproved igloo cooler and an employee who did not wash hands after being on a cell phone.
Cell phones have a lot of bacteria on them. So we wanted to be careful that if someone needs to make a call, they will take the gloves off, take their call, wash their hands, and then put more clean gloves on.
Another critical violation, hot dogs were not held to a hot enough temperature. They're supposed to be kept at least 135 degrees.
That is one of the major risk factors for foodborne illness. If bacteria grows in the temperature danger zone, which is 41 on the low side to 135. So we want to keep hot foods above 135 and cold foods below 41 so that the bacteria doesn't have time to grow and then make people sick.
Non-critical violations include an employee not wearing proper hair restraints or nets. The Indianapolis Indians declined to do an interview with us about food safety. However, they did tell us that all violations were fixed either during the inspection or immediately after. The health department website shows they did correct multiple violations on site.
With the critical violations, we recheck them within at least 7 days, if not sooner.
For food establishments that do not fix violations, they can lose their license to serve food or even end up in court. Stadiums like Victory Field, Lucas Oil, and Bankers Life are typically inspected every 6 months. The health department will also investigate if they get a complaint about a food establishment.
Those type of things we don't want to see, and we really want to know about it and address it.
You can look up inspection reports for any food establishment on the Marion County Health Department website. If you have a complaint about any food establishment, you can file a complaint with the health department at 317-221-2222. Working for you in Indianapolis, I'm Kara Kenny, RTV6.
We also reached out to the stadium's food service provider, Aramark, who told us, quote, the well-being of our fans is a top priority. We take food safety very seriously, and we work closely with our partners on an ongoing basis to ensure the food served at Victory Field is of the highest quality and served in the safest environments, end quote.